After I was granted the parole board by that time, I think recognized njengomuntu or rehabilitated. Cause lama talent engeke ngawabala angigqamisa kakhulu. I must say ngumuntu ophiwe kakhulu when it comes to arts. Cause I even do a visual art, yabo. Imdwebo nemisebenzi yezandla and so on. So izinto engiyiveza kakhulu kubona ukuthi ngitalented ukuzwana kakhulu. Even ukukhuluma to motivate, yabo. Babona ukuthi lo muntu une potential and lo muntu lo ngempela wayedukile usengakwazi ukuphinda aqoqeke. Ngayi attend ke parole board up until wa isikhathi la be granta khona iparole yami nganikezwe date yokuphuma. There was 2010 June 6. Lolo usuku lolo special kakhulu empilweni yami. I always celebrate that day. Nje angimemezeti celebrate time but ngiyazama ngalolo suku ngabukhona into ezongiphatha kabi emoyeni because usuku olwaluyi miracle. It's when I saw God working in my life. Yeah, so mangifika ke vele kwakunegidiki. I was aware because amajita ayenokuxoxa indaba ukuthi ngaphandle people are turning imizi yabo to BNBs. They're gonna be tourists from overseas. Sizo host the World Cup. You know, I was excited now to come and be part of the World Cup 2010. Ngodwa indlela ijele elalingilimaze ngayo khona sengiphumile kwathatha isikhathi ukuthi ngi-adapte kwi-outside life as much as kade ngiyifuna ngamehla bovu but ijele lithatha isikhathi ukuphuma kuwena usuphumile wena kulona, you know, lithatha isikhathi eside ukuthi liphume kuwena nokuthi ujwayele. Mina i-diet yasemnyango yafika i-diet yasemnyango yafika yangiqala nje i-diet nje yodwa. Ukudla kwasemnyango kwafika ngiqala ukodwa because asengijwayele ukudla kwasenjeni. Yabo. Ngaqale ngavomitha. Mama ngiqeda ukudla kwabuya kwakubuya nje ukudla lokho kubuya until ke i-system yajwayela. Number 2 sunshine. Still namanje ngizwana sunshine. More special amehlo. Ngizwana nje nelanga. Ngitholani ngempela nami. Now mangifika ke outside ngahlanganisa ama-outing, ngacheck amajita ane positive thinking. Luckily there was i-organization eyayikhona vele ye-youth okuthiwa iMachibisa Youth Development. Kululeko Hlophe, salute mfethu noLinda Hlophe. Ibona ke labafethu laba abathatha impilo yami to the next direction. Shuthi ngamanye amazwi ba supporta i-idea engiphume nayo because ngifika vele sine DNA eyodwa but an organization ye youth nami ngifuna ukuzovula i-organization ye youth. Yabo, we even add i-production. That's when uhambo lami lethetha liqale khona. Savula i-production okuthiwa isiyakha performing artists. Officially yenza konke from gumboot dance, music, traditional dance, acting. But into engithatha kakhulu ngihlaba umxhwele, it's acting because it's telling stories to the community in a different way. We raise the awareness in a different way. Ngendlela entertainment of which ngangithanda ukuthi entertainment. I'm a good actor. I must say that. I'm a very good actor. Kukuthi ke phela umkhakha we-acting kuphoqa ukuthi ngoba sengithole indawo engifakele iParish ngathi ukuthi pause, not ukuthi I'm no longer an artist. I can still write, I can still direct, I can still go on stage and do magic. Yeah. Ukusuka lapho sasingenaso sponsor. We did everything from our own pockets. Mind you, ngiphume ejele nginamali. These guys ayakwazi ukuthi anginike even impahla zokugqoka. Mind you, I had nothing. You know, I had to start all over, qale kabusha, everything. Right. I-operator ke lama organization, mind you, ngithe enqobe safundiswa agriculture, so ukutshala into esasiyenza ke sacela ama-backyard abantu eDambuza angasetshenziswa, abandoned backyards. Sifike khona sicente sigunda utshani silime sihambe socela imbewu ukhansela sifake imbewu simchaze ethi aim yethu kuphi. Successful endaweni uyazi abantu baqala futhi babuyele ekutheni babelievele kumina because ekuphumeni kwami ejele I was a totally different person ngase ngumuntu ongenayo ngangingasakwanisa ukuphatha umbese into enjani by the time ngiphuma angisakhulumi ngama-firearms nani izinto engangingasazithandi lezo by that year. So ngo-2010 ke thina sasibhizi ngalento yokuthi siphusha i-production ye-acting ne-traditional dance because sinebelief yokuthi kuza ama-tourists and so on yabo. So sababhizi nalezo zinto-ke ekuphumeni kwami up until I was introduced ngiyakhumbula we performed e-Western Churchill i-theatre yethu ePietermaritzburg sa-obtain position 1. We were doing i-show ethi angizenzanga, you know, lapho ngangidlala i-role yomfundisi kwi-memorial service yengane eshone ireshwe uthisha yacommit suicide. Isitori sasihamba kanjalo. So ngangumfundisi wayeshumayela kuleyo memorial service ke mina i-role engangiyidlala kwakuyileyo kanti izochuzwa leyo show. Kukhona i-organization ekuthiwa yi-Twist, you know, edila ne-theatre, ama-theatre projects yase-Amsterdam overseas but i-based kakhulu eThekwini. Big up to Babu Jerry Power, big up to Babu Edmund Mhlongo, big up to ngiyabakhohlwa abanye abelungu ababekhona laphayana but yonke nje team esebenza noBabu Jerry ngithi nje siyabonga kakhulu. Emma Baden siyabonga kakhulu. Babu umfowethu Xolani Dlongolo siyabonga kakhulu Mr. Xolani mfethu umsebenzi nawenze empilweni zethu sashayipheka after start Twist trainer esinika more skills and understanding as workshopper from writing the script to developing it to acting it, you know, to change it. Zonke izinto sazifunda ka-Twist bafowethu sisazisebenzisa ama-documents sisenawo and we are willing to meet with you guys again ngayo i-theatre because i-theatre iyona eyangishape kakhulu, i-acting iyangishape kakhulu. Even enkonzweni mina ngigcine ngenza ama-shows, kune-show engayenza yesiboshwa, you know, esasiyenza kwi-convention esikompyutha ngayo. I remember leyo show yashaya number 1. So kungisize kakhulu ungena kwi-acting more of ukungihila from past. Mina bengine trauma as much as kusekhona okunye kwayo but i-theatre yenza kwaba ngcono amanxeba, you know, yawuclearisha umqondo wami ngacabanga positive yabo from that time sengenza i-theatre. So nje bafethu I can say ngisafisa futhi ukuthi ngibuyele stage ngigijime nami, ngiyafisa futhi ukuya ku television if bekhona abantu abangaba noncedo because asibuyele emuva transformation life siyaphambili, you know, asibuyele odakeni njengengulube but siyaphambili bafethu. So noma ngabe ubani ongaba nosizo noma ongaba usizo ekuthenini kuphakame i-talent yami acting siprove umhlaba ukuthi umuntu uyakwazi ukuguquka from into e-worse abe into e-best for your community because mina ngowena South Africa, yebo, I'm working to change i-youth esinayo. Even abantwana bami kufanele babe proud ukuthi how wow ubaba went through sentence but he came back. Mbuke namhlanje unjani, ngibe isibonelo emphakathini ukuthi umuntu uyakwazi ukuthi ayishintshe impilo yakhe kade nimsaba abuye senikwazi ukuhlala nixoxe naye nikhuluma izinto eziyaphambili. You understand? Akukho easy, angifuni ukudlala ngawo. There are times la mawuphuma ejele kade umuntu ophatha imali yobugebengu ubone kahle ukuthi akukho lutho endlini, angigqokile, yabo, mawubhema ngibhemile, yabo. Ivuke lento ukuthi mina ngungqondo nginaso iskill, I can go and roof isitolo esithizeni ngithole imali yokudla but kudinga ukuthi leso silwane usibophe kakhulu remembering ukuthi uphuma la uphuma khona. So akulula bafuthi ukushintsha ufuna ukudlala ngani. Kunabantu ke abayi-bad influence bafu mase siphumile prison. One, kunamagama angafanele nisibize ngawo because abhebhethekisa ubhantinti lelo gama lelo. I hate lelo gama, you know. Ungangibizi nje mina ibhantinti, angisile ibhantinti somebody wakwaqhuzuka years ago osebuyela manje kwi-direction right. Number 2, guys, stop judging us njengabantu. Mina ngithe ngibuya bra wami ngabuyela enkonzweni ngayofaka isivatho sasesontweni. Wawungabona into bengihleka abantu emgaqweni, yabo? Ngisasatshwa ngithi angisakwazi ukushaya umuntu, angisakwazi ukugwaza umuntu. Ngiqondile ngihlala endlini angiphumi, yabo? Uphenduka usinayi uma ubahamba usatshwa wabuya usushintshe. Ushintsho bafethu liyakuthukanisa nabantu, ushintsho liyakuhlekanisa nabantu. There are people nanamhlanje abasathi umlilo wamaphepha ayikho into ayisontayo lo, usazobuyela ejele lo. Lezo inkulumo ezinegative bafethu ziyekeni, umlomo uyadala. Omunye umuntu uvela acikeke agwaza umuntu abuyele ngaphakathi. Ngoba manje into enikhuluma kuthini mama sesiphume ngaphakathi ejele sikhumbula thini torture esidlule kuyona, yayizwa leyo. So udelele umuntu ongakaza spend ngisho 2 hours esitoksini, yabo leyo. So siyayicela support kakhulu kwi-community kubafethu abasaphuma ngaphakathi, baphatheni kahle labafethu so that bezokwazi ukubona amaphutha abo basebenze phezu kwawo bashintshe. Bafethu, as I said ukuthi ngiyalicela kakhulu usizo, every sponsor, every stakeholder khona out there. I'm an artist, I'm doing theatre. Khona umsebenzi wami bafethu engawenza after imprisonment. Le show nganithi fahla ngayo engangishaya irole yomfundisi khona. Sizonikeza ilink lapha kuma comments phansi. Leyo show bafethu iyona show yangivulela iminyango, yangiveza i-theatre ngangiqala ukungena i-theatre ngi-act under the lights, yabo, with a proper sound, with proper everything. So nje bafethu, please ngiyacela whoever, ngiyacela futhi nibuke leyo show and ni support. Ongakwazi ukulula isandla alula isandla bafethu. Ngiyabonga Mzansi.
Siyabonga mfethu.
Salute.
Hayi no. Siyabonga mfethu. Interview ayibi right bafo.
Ngiyabonga.
Siyabonga. Siyathemba ukuthi izoba ne-impact mfethu.
Yeah.